Today's recipe is with amlas. This is an instant pickle. Here I am using ginger along with it. That is mango ginger. In South India, this ginger is used in pickles. North Indians make chutney too, but it is an optional one to use it. Let's begin the recipe. I am going to steam in the amla. I'll do 2 whistles with this. I will turn it off and allow it to cool. When it is steamed well, you can see it gets split by itself. That is the right way. Now it's steamed well. Deseeding the amla is very easy and it's get divided into equal portions. Now the amla is ready to use. I'll do the seasoning. I'm going to add in oil, mustard, few methi seeds, add in little hing, and the ginger, this gets softened very fast. Now is the time to add steamed amlas, chilli powder. This is roasted methi powder. Turmeric. Salt. Now it's sauteed for a minute in the low flame. This can be stored in refrigeration for a week. I've switched off the flame. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you have not done still, do it right.